squared plus b is our standard format quadratic equation, right? Yes. And we're going to complete the square, just like you've done a million times before, on this formula in order to get it to the quadratic formula.
Quadratic formula is hecka fun. So it's time to get funky. Pass it over to...
It's easy to do, just follow these steps.
Subtract c from both sides, so we get a x squared plus bx is equal to minus c. Let me divide everything by a, so I get x squared plus b over ax is equal to, you have to divide both sides by a, minus c over a. So I'm just completing the square. That's all I'm doing. No magic here. No.
That's the way you do it! Now, this is where it gets fun. What do I have to do with this term here? I have to divide this by 2.
And then square it.
And then square it now to both sides, right? Now, it's harder with letters, but it shouldn't be. It's harder with letters, but it shouldn't be. What is 1 divided by 2? 1.5, right? Just adding the 2 to the denominator. So it's the same thing. When I have b over a. To make it divide by 2, all I do is add a 2 to the denominator. Add a 2 to the denominator. Yeah? Everyone agrees I've cut that in half now?
1 eternity later.
So that is the new term, and then I square that. And I'll add that term to both sides. b over 2a squared equals negative c over a plus b over 2a squared.
And that is the famous quadratic formula. So there we go. We proved it. And we proved it just from completing the square.